tool.
The bone that roams. Okay. Want to hold this for a second, ma'am?
All right, sir.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay. Here it is. Got this in the mail. 2 days ago. Came from.
When I worked for UPS.
Yeah. It came from Europe, and rubbers from around the world. Now we're gonna open it up.
Okay.
Okay.
Dino Rocco, always keeping,
Trojans from around the world. Put this right down here.
Okay.
First Trojan comes from Italy. A nice little close-up of that one. Italy, Trojan from Italy. Okay, let me take that bone, ma'am. Put this down right here. Okay. I don't know about these Trojans here.
Okay, do it up, Dino. Do
There
it
we
up.
go.
Okay.
This comes from Italy. We'll put this baby right on here.
Want me to hold it for
rubbers. Randy's gonna hold it for me.
you? Sex service.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
There we go. All right.
Here we go. Rubbers from around the world. What does it say there? It says,
With some onions, garlic.
friggin' recipe for sauce. There you go. Right from Italy. You wear this rubber, and afterwards you can make sauce with this.
That looks a little,
It's a little. What do you think about that rubber, huh?
Okay.
Smells like pizza.
Smells like pizza.
Okay.
Right.
What do you think?
And of course, they're lubed with olive oil.
Yeah.
Are we ready for the next one?
Yeah, why don't you take that one off for us? Get
I
the
want to
next-
be nice and careful with it.
Okay. Ooh. Things are getting hot in the studio, folks.
Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna have pizza fingers.
Let me ask you a question.
Okay.
Is it gooey?
Yes, it's very slippery.
Okay. Give me that bat back.
There
I
you
think
go.
it's essence of olive oil.
Essence of olive oil. Okay, the next one comes from Poland. We got a rubber, Trojan. What else could you call them? Prophylactics.
Raincoats.
Jackets.
Put this baby
Sleeves.
on.
Okay, from
This went
Poland.
on pretty easy here.
He's a big man.
Okay, from Poland. Let's see, get a nice shot of this. This way in. All right.
Okay.
Nice one.
Oh, this way off too.
That's right. This way.
Take it off.
For those of you Polacks who can't figure this out.
You know why they don't have
We're
ice
done. We're
cubes in
finished.
Poland
You were the
anymore?
best.
They lost the
Whoa!
formula.
All right.
Okay.
All right, you might as well. This one's. Next one comes from Japan.
Pan.
Japan. This is kind of light, man. Something in here?
Wait, maybe we should turn this band around because we all know
I
about
don't think this is gonna fit in the bat.
Try this side.
I don't think this is gonna fit in the bat.
Oh, no.
All right. That's Japan.
Japan. Of course, got the little red dot there.
Okay. Isn't that too big for the Japanese?
I don't know, man. This is like the guy that's really really hung well in Japan.
He's well endowed.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
Looks bigger if you go like this.
Yeah, their eyes are slanted, so it looks big to them. Okay.
Couple more. Hold your horses.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, right.
This one. You want to hold on to that way? I ain't gonna put it on you.
I got
Looks like I'm
this.
putting it on you then. This one comes from.
You know us,
You guys are
Kate.
This one comes from Israel.
Okay.
Israel.
Smells like polo.
This comes with a lot of gold chains. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Israel.
Oh.
Wow.
Whoa.
Get a nice close-up of that. Kosher. Shooting star at David. Wow, there's something on the back that says, get a close-up. Used with non-Jewish girl. Of course, you don't want to get those.
Or a
You
shishka.
don't want to get them pregnant because, you know, your mom would kill you, right? Take that off for us, will you?
All right.
Or a goyim, whatever you want to call it. Okay.
Take it off slow.
Nice and slow.
Nice and slow.
He's
Okay.
a star in my eyes.
Okay. Got a couple more here.
Okay.
Here we go.
You ready? The camera's gonna
Yeah,
pop.
I got it again. Pop it off.
Okay.
Watch the goo.
He was easy.
All right, this next one comes from camera. Mexico. Mexico.
Okay, can't wait to see this one, Dino.
Yeah, here we go.
Oh, this is the best one.
Okay.
Oh.
Mexico. Friggin's got a hole in it.
No
Take it
wonder.
out, man.
Oh, no.
It's got a friggin' hole. Hold this. No wonder the population's over exploding over there.
No wonder they all got 10
Friggin's
kids.
got a hole in it.
Oh, shit.
Right at the tip.
Oh, no.
All right.
All right. Jeez.
Last one.
no.
This is a great segment, ain't it? Okay. From France. France.
France.
I don't like.
Okay.
It's one country I really don't like is France, man. It's
Yeah,
so
it's
rude,
not a
it's
yuck.
scummy, man.
Absolutely.
The menage a trois, they jump on any girl, every girl. It's like, ugh.
You know, when I was there during
Oh,
the war,
God.
These friggin' ones you used, man.